What's going on, everybody? So today we are going to be covering how to run several commands at the same time on one npm start, and we are going to be using a package called Concurrently. What this will let us do is, as opposed to having us do npm start to start the front end and node server.js to start the back end, we just do one command that lets us start everything. So let's get into it. Is click the link in the description below, take you to this npm page right here, and you want to scroll down a little bit until you see install. Now, since we are using this for npm scripts, we're just going to copy this right here and paste it into our application, the main directory of our application. And once that's done installing, we are going to go into your scripts tab in your package.json file, and we're just going to add a comma at the very bottom right here. And we're going to add three things. The first one is going to be source, second one is going to be server, and the last one is going to be start full app. So source, and I'll just do empty string, and I'll do server, empty string, and the last one, start full app, and I'm going to do empty string. Alright, let's just quickly run over what source and server and start full app are. So source and server basically are just telling the program to go into a directory and performing an action like node server.js or npm start. Now, start full app is simply going to tell the program that if we run start full app, run server and source together. Now, you can add as many source, servers, or whatever you want, as many times as you want, and as long as you put them in the start full app, they will all run congruently, but you can't have the same name for everything. Alright, so let's start off with source. So inside of our source, we're going to have two parts. The first part is going to be going into our directory and performing an action. So right now we are in survey app, which is our main folder, and we want to go into source. So we just do cd src, and now we've gone into the directory we want to. And now we have to perform an action, so I'll just do npm start, and that's it. So now I go into the directory, I tell the program go into the directory and perform npm start to start the front end. Now let's do the server. So we do go into the directory, so right now we're in the main directory, survey app, so that'll be cd into src, and now we have to go into server, which is inside of src, so that'll just be /server. So now we've gone into the right directory, and now we have to tell it to perform an action. So we usually run our backend using node server.js, so I'll just do that, node server.js. So that covers what we need to do to run the front end and the back end. Alright, so for start full app, what we're going to do is first concurrently, concurrently, / double quote, npm run server. So that's our first one, / double quotes. So that'll run our server when we do start full app. Now we have to do source. So very simply, it's going to be / quotes npm run source and / quotes. Save that. Now you're always going to have to do npm run, or else it won't be able to run the certain thing you want to do. So if you just did npm server, it won't be able to run the server properly. Alright, let's test it out. So in our terminal, I'm just going to do npm run start full app, and you can see that it'll work when you see that the first one is started up the node server, and now it's starting up the front end. And here it is. Now we can actually test out whether the back end is actually working or not by trying it out. So if we do a survey, do the biggest number, smallest number, middle number, complete it, and we'll go to survey's done. Cool, so now we can see that the backend is running because it sent the data to the backend and received it in the front end. Nice. Alright, hopefully y'all enjoyed this quick tutorial in learning how to run multiple commands in just one main command. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.